Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, first we have to turn device off by holding down power key, tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the appeared menu, this is basically a recovery mode. You can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as restart, clear data, here you have wipe cache partition and also factory reset. Also you have update mode and save mode. So if you want to quit this recovery mode, select the restart option and it will restart your device just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.